Okay, y'all, I'm at the mall. I'm at Bath and Body Works. We finally made it home, so now I could shop my local stores to see exactly what they have in here for the semi-annual sale. Today is the last day for the $10.95 candles, so I really wanted to come in and see exactly what my store have, if they have any 75% candles. But again, today is Monday, so I feel like I kind of missed out on all of the good stuff. But I'm super happy that everybody has been finding the 75% candles. Even though y'all know I'm not a huge fan of the winter candles, more of a summer type of candle type of chick. So I'm gonna go in here and see what I could find. Hopefully I can find some treasure finds because that's all I really want to buy. Again, my 20% coupon expired yesterday, so I don't have that. I still have my 10 off of 40, but I kind of want to keep it. Again, I'm only going to buy treasure finds. I don't need really nothing else. So let's run in here and see what they got. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl a comment. Shout out to my MVP riders. Shout out to you. Thank you for always supporting me, watching anything and everything that your girl posts. Thank you for that. Let's head into the store. Okay, let's check these 75% bins. Now, recording and editing this video, I just noticed that wrapped in vanilla and that cashmere, whatever that is back there, I just noticed that I missed it in the store, even though I don't need any more body care. But I was just surprised to see that because I totally missed all of that stuff sitting right there because I was so focused on the Moxie. That blackberry basil is pretty good. That cinnamon donut swirl is pretty good as well. But most of these bins look the same. Winter candy apple come out every year. All of this stuff was either $3.95 or 75% off. This spring collection was $3.95. I passed on that. Only thing I'm looking for in this men's aromatherapy or whatever they call in that collection is that vanilla Palo Santo. These blended candles. Leave in the comments, how do you feel about these blended candles? Are you loving them? Have you burned yours yet? What do you think about the throw? Which one is your favorite? Leave that down in the comments. Also, where is the kitchen lemon candle? Is it only gonna come in soap or what? Is the candle just late? If you know that, leave that down in the comments because I'm kind of curious. I want to see what that smells like. And I don't need no more soaps. So yeah, if it come out in the candle, then yes, I'll get it. But as far as the soap, it's a pass for me unless I get it for $1. So yeah, I'm just looking around trying to find some 75% stuff, but this store did not have any 75% candles. So yeah, they had tons of this gingham, as you do know. I think they're gonna phase that gingham out. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but they had tons of it. Also, y'all, don't forget to look at the home decor. The home decor items is on sale as well. We always seem to look past that stuff because we're so focused on like candles and body care, but a lot of that home decor stuff is on sale right now. I believe it's like 50%. Do it ever go to 75? Sometimes it do. I've got items for like 90% off, but that was many years ago. They don't even take it to 90% anymore. But keep your eye on whatever home decor you're looking for. Keep an eye out for it because eventually it will go to probably 75%. Now this little bag, everybody was going crazy for this bag over the spring. If you didn't grab it, now is your time to grab it. It's 50% off. It might go 75, I don't know, but if you haven't grabbed it, now's your chance. Okay, y'all, I did that little quick walkthrough once again. I told y'all my area just never ever have 75% candles. Now I don't know. She told me that they had a few, but again, they went super fast. Today is Monday, so we all know that everybody is running for the 75% candles, but my area hardly ever get them. We hardly ever get them. Y'all do know I just came back from Myrtle Beach. That store didn't have many 75%. But again, that's the thing about going on the first day when they first open. Sometimes they don't have the stuff out and they don't necessarily know what's going to be marked down. Don't forget to look at those cord candles. Look on Instagram. A lot of people has posted, you know, the cord candles that's on sale on the markdown. So make sure y'all look at all of that stuff, because sometimes the stores just don't know and they don't mark them. I did see a couple of the cord candles in there, but again, I don't need no cord candles. This lady's super loud behind me, but I don't need any cord candles, so that's the reason why I didn't even look at that. I'm just only looking for treasure finds, and I'm not finding them. I'm not finding no treasure finds in my area. I wish that when I was in Myrtle Beach, I was able to go to more stores, but I was only able to go to that one store super quick. So it is what it is. I'm gonna try another store, see what we can find at my next store. So let's go to the next one. Okay, store number 2. Let's see if we could find any treasure find. Bingo! Fairy Tale is so good. Even though I passed, but that's a nice little find. Also, Rose. This Rose scent is so good. I'm not sure why they discontinuing it. I guess it's just not selling like that, but it's really nice, y'all. If you don't have this in your collection, now is the time to get it. Maybe wait until it goes a little bit cheaper than 50%. But yeah, I was shocked to see that they still have this Gingham Vibrant perfume, but again, because it's 50%, that's the reason why it's still there. If it was 75, I'm sure a lot of this stuff will be gone. Pure Wonder is a nice scent as well. 60% off home decor at this store. They just got a few candle holders. If you want those, they got them. It was a pass for me. And they have more $10.95 candles. Most definitely gonna go back for the vanilla Palo Santo candle if they have a better sale. Now the men's cologne, I would have bought that if it was 75%, but at 50%, it's a pass for me. You know, I'll just wait. They got tons of it. Hopefully it'll last to 75%. If I end up missing it, it's not a big deal. Yeah, I really feel like if this stuff was 75% or either $3.95, I think this stuff will be gone. But because it's 50%, nobody want to buy it. Now this rose gel perfume stuff, I don't even know what that is. But I've always wanted it. When it first came out a long time ago, I think it was like last year, I wanted to buy it, but the price was never right. So it's still 50%. I passed. If it goes 75, I'll grab it. Okay, y'all, I'm done. Empty hand. This is my second store. Didn't find anything at this store. Again, no 75% candles, no Christmas candles, only the $10.95. I'm not sure. Maybe they're going to put that stuff out later. So that's a wrap for me, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave your girls some comments at the bottom. Also, let me know what was your #1 treasure find. Did you find anything? Because as y'all see, I don't have anything. I'm going to go down here to another store. I'm not going to record that store. So, it's a wrap for me, y'all. So I'm going to try back probably next weekend. Maybe they'll have more items. But as far as the first couple of days of semi-annual sale, I'm kind of done. Not mad. It is what it is. So, I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.